Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file home loan interest in your income tax return. First, determine if your home loan interest qualifies for a deduction. Generally, interest paid on a mortgage for your main home or a second home is deductible. This also includes interest on home equity loans or lines of credit, provided the funds were used to buy, build, or substantially improve your home. It's important to meet these initial criteria before proceeding. Next, gather all the necessary documents. Your mortgage lender will send you Form 1098, Mortgage Interest Statement, by the end of January. This crucial document reports the total amount of interest you paid during the previous year. If you have multiple mortgages, you will receive a separate Form 1098 for each. Ensure you have all these statements ready before you begin preparing your return. Now, let's move to completing your tax form. You'll report your deductible home loan interest on Schedule A, Itemized Deductions. Locate the line specifically for home mortgage interest. Take the amount from box 1 of your Form 1098 and enter it there. If you have other itemized deductions, such as state and local taxes or charitable contributions, you'll add them all up on Schedule A. Finally, understand the limits and benefits of this deduction. There are specific limits on the amount of mortgage debt for which interest is deductible, often up to $750,000 for loans taken out after a certain date. This deduction can significantly lower your taxable income, potentially leading to a larger refund or a smaller tax bill. For complex situations or large loan amounts, consider consulting a tax professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.